Have you ever wondered which engines defy the laws of physics and durability? Imagine a pickup that not only takes you where you need to go, but can also accompany you on incredible journeys of more than 500,000 km. Today, we're going to explore the 20 most unusual and toughest truck engines ever made. Prepare to be amazed by the unexpected combination of power, efficiency, and longevity that many of them offer. Stay tuned and discover which engine stands out as the true champion among the road giants. We start our list at number 20, Chevrolet 1.0L Turbo. Launched in 2015, the Chevrolet 1.0L Turbo brought a new perspective to trucks, challenging the idea that only large engines can deliver power. You'd be surprised what a small engine can do. This turbocharged 3-cylinder engine is designed for maximum fuel efficiency. It's as if there's an athlete hidden in a compact body, revealing that size isn't everything when it comes to performance. Despite expectations, some owners reported impressive performance, exceeding 200,000 km. Who knew such a small engine could be so resilient? True proof that quality counts. Surprisingly, this engine was inspired by sports car engines. Who would have thought that a pickup would hide such sporting DNA? It's a perfect example of how innovation can come from where you least expect it. At number 19, Dodge 5.9L Cummins Diesel. The Dodge 5.9L Cummins Diesel, used for over 2 decades, is known for its nearly indestructible strength. This engine has become a true icon among pickup truck lovers. With a robust cast iron block and turbocharger, it is designed for performance and durability. It's no wonder that many drivers trust it to face any challenge. Incredibly, some engines have gone beyond 500 miles without major problems. It's a testament to its superior engineering and reliability. Could you get through all of this without a problem? This engine is so popular that, for many, it is considered the gold standard of diesel engines. If you are looking for strength and endurance, this is, without a doubt, the engine to compare. At number 18, Ford 4.9 Li6. The Ford 4.9 Li6, produced from 1965 to 1996, is a true legend among truck lovers. This engine won hearts and drove along roads like a true asphalt warrior. With its cast iron block construction and sloped design, the Ford 4.9 Li6 stood out for being more compact. Its versatility has made it a popular choice among pickup truck drivers. And the durability, spectacular. Many of these engines can surpass the 300,000-mile mark. It's as if the Ford 4.9L was an unbeatable champion in the races of life. Incredibly, you can still find an i6 in many pickup trucks and work vans. For those looking for strength and endurance, this engine has become an icon on America's roads. At number 17, GMC 6.2L Diesel. Introduced in 1982, the GMC 6.2L Diesel is proof that power and efficiency can go hand in hand. This engine left its mark on the industry, being a true example of innovation at the time. With impressive turbocharging and direct injection, this engine achieved the perfect harmony between strength and economy. Who knew a diesel could be so agile? Users are often surprised to discover that this engine can exceed 400,000 kilometers before requiring a major overhaul, a resistance worthy of applause. Despite its durability, the 6.2L diesel is often underestimated when compared to gasoline engines. Could this be due to old market prejudices? At number 16, Toyota 3.0 L1KZT. The Toyota 3.0 L1KZT is famous for its durability. It's the perfect engine for those who love off-road adventures, handling the most challenging trails without breaking down. This engine is a true legend among adventurers. This 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine is a real tank. With a robust design, it is built to last. Who knew something so small could be so powerful? Ideal for tackling any terrain. On expeditions, you will notice that these engines often exceed 300,000 kilometers. It's as if they were superheroes of the streets and trails, always ready for the next adventure without losing strength. The 1KZT is known as one of Toyota's most reliable diesel engines. If you are looking for resistance and performance, this engine is the right choice. No wonder it won the hearts of pickup lovers. At number 15, Honda 2,4 liter K24. The Honda 2.4 LK24 became famous for its combination of efficiency and power, proving to be a true champion in several truck models. It's an engine that not only delivers, but impresses everyone behind the wheel. This four-cylinder engine has a lightweight design, allowing for better performance and fuel economy. With a construction designed to withstand the impact, it is light, but don't underestimate its capacity. K24 owners often report that their trucks reach more than 250,000 km without major problems. It is an engine that accompanies its owner for a long time and yet requires little maintenance. The K24 is often praised for its minimalism. It doesn't have a ton of complicated parts, which results in low maintenance costs. Simplicity and reliability, that's what every engine lover wants. At number 14, Nissan 5.6 LV8. The Nissan 5.6 LV8 is a true pickup jewel, delivering a combination of power and efficiency that impresses. Ideal for those looking for performance without sacrificing consumption, this engine stood out in the American market. This V8 engine has a robust aluminum block, ensuring durability and resistance. With an efficient cooling system, it remains firm, even under the most severe working conditions. A true warrior among trucks. Imagine driving more than 350,000 km with this engine. Reports from impressed owners show that the Nissan 5.6 LV8 is built to last. It's the kind of reliability every driver dreams of when purchasing a pickup. Designed to withstand the tough demands of heavy lifting, the Nissan 5.6 LV8 is a testament to Japanese engineering. This engine was designed to take on any challenge on the road. A solid choice for those who won't settle for less. At number 13, Chrysler 2.5L Turbo. The Chrysler 2.5L Turbo is a true trip back in time for fans of the 80s. Famous for equipping the era's light vehicles, it brings to mind memories of driving adventures and an iconic design that everyone recognizes. Featuring lightweight construction and turbocharging, this engine is designed for maximum efficiency. Imagine a pickup that not only excelled on the track, but also in fuel economy. A true champion of the 80s, known for its durability, this engine rarely let its owners down, easily reaching more than 200,000 km. A testament to engineering that many still remember fondly. Who wouldn't want such a strong engine? Equipping several successful models in the 1980s, the Chrysler 2.5L Turbo marks its history in the automobile industry. Do you remember your favorite pickup from that decade? It's very likely that he had this iconic engine under the hood. At number 12, Subaru 2.5L Boxer. Did you know that the Subaru 2.5L Boxer engine is notorious for its horizontal construction? This configuration provides a low center of gravity height, providing unique stability during cornering. Impressive, right? With its opposed four-cylinder design, this engine is not only unique but also extremely efficient. The Boxer keeps everything balanced, resulting in a smooth driving experience that car fans love. Incredibly robust. The Subaru 2.5L engine can exceed 300,000 kilometers with the right maintenance. It's a machine built to last, defying the passage of time and proving its worth on the roads. Renowned for its adaptability, the engine is a versatile choice for different driving conditions. Whether on off-road trails or in the city, the Subaru Boxer stands out like a true champion. At number 11, Jeep 4.0 Li6. The Jeep 4.0 Li6 has become an icon among off-road fans since the 90s. This powerful machine won the hearts of many adventurers, proving that it was more than a simple engine, but a promise of freedom on every trail. With its 6-cylinder inline configuration, this engine is an example of robustness and reliability. It not only starts, but starts with the strength that every truck lover dreams of, ready to tackle any terrain. Reports say that many drivers manage to exceed an incredible 300,000 km with this engine. This makes him a legend of durability, always ready for another challenge, and a true test of endurance. Truck lovers line up to talk about the outdoor adventures they've had with the Jeep 4.0 Li6. He is not just an engine, it's the heart that beats strong on every journey, taking enthusiasts to places where other cars wouldn't dare. At number 10, Ford 7.3L Powerstroke. The Ford 7.3L Powerstroke has won over drivers since the 90s, becoming a true favorite on the road and in trucks. With impressive reliability, it's the kind of engine that deserves a standing ovation. Equipped with a turbo and 8 cylinders, this engine is made for the most demanding demands. Get ready, because when you accelerate, the 7.3L delivers power that makes your heart race. Incredibly, many drivers report that the 7.3L has already surpassed the 500,000 kilometers mark. It's a testament to the strength and durability that only a true legendary engine can offer. The legion of fans of this engine is impressive. Themed around clubs and forums, this community reveres the 7.3L Power Stroke as an icon, sharing stories and experiences that only add to its legendary status. At number 9, Mitsubishi 2.5 L4D56. The Mitsubishi 2.5 L4D56 has become a legend for its resistance on difficult terrain. This engine is a true champion, tackling mud, sand, and rocks in style. For off-roaders, it is synonymous with indestructible reliability. This four-cylinder diesel engine is known for its excellent torque, which means it has the strength to pull and carry whatever you need. When other engines fail, the 4D56 simply continues to work hard. Performance reports showing more than 300,000 km are common, surprising even the most skeptical mechanics. This proves that the 2.5 L4D56 is not only durable, but truly made to last a lifetime. Famous among off-road enthusiasts around the world, the Mitsubishi 2.5 L4D56 has won hearts and trails. For many, he is more than an engine. It's a promise of adventure and endurance anywhere. At number 8. Chevrolet 5.7 litros 5.8. The Chevrolet 5.7 LV8 has become a true icon since the 1970s, setting the standard for V8 engines. With its strong personality, this engine won hearts and established itself as a reference in the automotive industry. With its perfect combination of power and efficiency, Chevrolet's V8 engine offers the strength needed to tackle any road without compromising economy. It's the ideal balance that many drivers seek in a pickup. Impressively, many of the 5.7 LV8 engines easily travel over 220,000 miles and continue to perform like new, a true testament to the durability and resistance these engines can offer. Enthusiasts are not satisfied with just good performance. Many make audacious modifications to this engine, pushing its limitations and revealing all the adrenaline that a Chevrolet 5.7 LV8 can provide. At number 7, Ram 6.4L Hemi. Introduced in 2013, the Ram 6.4L Hemi quickly made a name for itself, delivering impressive power. This engine has become synonymous with strength and attitude on the roads, handling any load with ease and style. With its direct injection V8 and an ingenious cylinder management system, this engine combines power and efficiency. Get ready for breathtaking sprints, and without sacrificing fuel economy. Ram 6.4L owners often report above-average durability. With the right maintenance, this engine becomes a loyal companion, defying the odds and running for miles and miles without problems. If you're looking for high performance in a truck, the Ram 6.4L Hemi definitely stands out as one of the best options on the market. A true gladiator in the world of engines, ready for any challenge. At number 6, Toyota 4.0 litros 5.6. The Toyota 4.0 LV6 is famous for its reliability in difficult terrain, tackling mountains and trails with determination. If you need an engine that won't quit, this is the perfect choice for any off-road adventure. This V6 is designed with a positive pressure system, which improves efficiency. This means that it not only has strength, but also knows how to put every drop of fuel to good use. A powerful combination in one engine. Reports from owners show that this engine can exceed 300,000 kilometers with the right maintenance. Imagine how long you can enjoy this robustness before thinking about replacing. It's quality that lasts. The Toyota 4.0 LV6 excels in a variety of weather conditions, proving its effectiveness in intense heat and biting cold. It's the true Swiss Army knife of engines, ready to face any challenge that nature presents. At number 5. Isuzu 30 litros 4JX1. The Isuzu 3.0 L4JX1 is a diesel engine that stood out in pickup trucks in the 2000s. With a growing reputation, it won over consumers passionate about strength and durability in their choices. This modern engine features turbo technology and electronic injection, providing surprising performance. It combines innovation with the robustness that drivers expect from their pickup trucks. Fascinating reports indicate that the 4JX1 can last more than 250,000 kilometers without facing serious problems. This is a true triumph for any engine and a dream for anyone who lives on the road. The exceptional durability of the Isuzu 3.0L has won the hearts of consumers around the world, proving that when it comes to engines, some truly go down in history. At number 4, Mercedes-Benz 3.0 LOM642. The Mercedes-Benz 3.0 LOM642 diesel engine stands out for its robustness in commercial vehicles. With an ingenious design, it combines power and resistance, winning over fleet owners around the world. This engine is synonymous with reliability on the roads. With a compact V6, the OM642 offers high fuel efficiency. Imagine an engine that not only delivers power, but also takes care of your pocket. It's the perfect choice for anyone who needs exceptional performance on every trip. The reports are impressive. Many drivers have already exceeded 400,000 kilometers without significant problems. That's right, this engine is so durable that it could be considered indestructible by some. A true piece of engineering. Famous for its fuel economy, the OM642 has become a favorite among fleet owners. Imagine saving on fuel while enjoying remarkable performance. This is the reason why this engine is still successful on the roads. Now we come to our top 3 on our list. Nissan 2.5 LQR25. Introduced in 2001, the Nissan 2.5 LQR25 quickly became a popular choice among pickup trucks and SUVs. Its reliability and performance have made it a favorite with American drivers. Have you ever piloted one of these monsters? This 4-cylinder engine is the perfect mix of power and fuel economy. With it, you don't have to sacrifice performance to save at the pump. It's like having the best of both worlds, without the headaches. With proper maintenance, the Nissan QR25 can easily exceed 300,000 kilometers. That's right. An engine that breaks the mileage barrier is always a dream for anyone who loves pickup trucks. Have you ever been so in love with an engine like this? Versatile and reliable, the QR25 adapts to different models, providing exceptional performance in each one. If variety is the spice of life, this engine adds a dash of excitement to any pickup truck. How about trying yours? At number 2, Chevrolet 6.6 litros Duramax. Launched in 2001, the Chevrolet 6.6L Duramax stood out as a giant. This diesel engine was not only powerful, but also a force of nature among truck drivers, leaving many other engines to shame. With its robust cast-iron block, turbo and direct injection, this engine was designed for maximum efficiency. It's like having a lion under your hood, ready to show its claws on the road. Reports from drivers speak of a useful life of over 400,000 km. That's right. This engine not only works hard, but also lasts longer than many weddings out there. Famous for its incredible ability to swallow heavy loads, the Duramax is a favorite among truck drivers. If you need to transport the heaviest things, this engine is like a superhero of pickups. And now, first on our list, Ford 6.7L Powerstroke. The Ford 6.7L Powerstroke, a true diesel engine icon, made its debut in 2011 and quickly became a standout among pickup truck fans. This engine has become synonymous with strength and resistance on the roads of the Americas. This V8 isn't just an engine, it's a powerhouse. With cutting-edge technology, it has become the ideal choice for heavy trucks, offering performance that makes any driver smile when accelerating. Imagine an engine that exceeds 500,000 km and still looks like a champion. The Ford 6.7L Powerstroke is known for its impressive durability, making it a favorite among pickup truck owners seeking longevity. With a sophisticated and innovative design, the 6.7L Powerstroke is not just an engine, it is a reference in the world of diesel engines, setting performance standards that many seek to match. And we've reached the end of our video about the 20 most unusual truck engines ever made. Which of these engines is your favorite? Or do you know of any other engines that should be on this list? Leave your opinion in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. And don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any news.